got this little speaker here. This is a 8-ohm 6-watt made in Taiwan. No idea where exactly it comes from, but if I just flip it over gently, because the connectors are busted, the surround on the cone is completely gone, and it's all kind of flexed up and messed up. Oh, can I sit it on its side? I might be able to, actually. Let's see, I wonder if this Star Wars R2-D2 will hold it up. Yes, it will. Perfect. Let's move you up a little bit. Nice. Right. Should work, I'm hoping. No noise. I have no idea if this even works. It's in such a bad condition. Oh, wait, was that my phone or was that that? See, I think it might just be this bad connection. I think I'll just try it directly from the Chemo amps outlet. So the problem is that these were originally, well, both were soldered, and this has got like some kind of like mains cable, which is very weird. But this side was soldered, but it's pulled off the whole terminal. And this side, the wire is looped through, and if you can see, it's looped through there, but then soldered on the loops. So I'm actually going to have to cut it off, which is very helpful. Quite sure who thought this was a good idea. I mean, I've never... I mean, all the speakers I've seen inside, they're all just either got like little kind of like plug type things, or it just goes straight onto the, or it's just wrapped around the thing. So this is going to be difficult. I don't know if I can cut that off or not. Oh, of course it's magnetic as well. Let's just cut it there. Hopefully that'll be whoa, the dust comes off it. There we go. Some kind of mains cable, which funnily enough, they were on the wrong connectors, which is kind of weird. Negative and positive. I mean, maybe the cable's bad. I don't know. It's possible. Okay, let's get rid of our little weird bit of mains cable. And bring the amp back over. I mean, if it makes any noise at all, I'll probably just run something like woofer cooker for it, to be honest. Because, I mean, if it does work, it's going to sound terrible. It's this side that's going to be the problem, which is the positive side. Although this might be... The trouble is, these scissors aren't exactly the bigger size. And with the magnet there, it's difficult. So I don't know if I can like somehow untangle it. Also, I don't know if this solder might have lead in it as well, because who knows quite where this comes from. I did try putting tape on there. I don't know if I can't imagine tape would probably work if I could get it to stay on. It's this one's gonna be the problem. I don't want to touch it because I did put a little bit of super glue on that cable, and it held it for a second, but then fell off, and I was like, oh great. I swear super glue is useful for sticking one thing in its human skin, and that's it. Dreadful stuff. Gosh, I'm running out of space. Okay, I got a little bit of sellotape. Well, Marksman adhesive tape. Let's try this. Okay, it's on there. I don't think... Oh god, no! I don't think it really matters if it goes on the cone. I mean, it's going to sound terrible, so... It really stop falling off. Urgh. Fingers crossed. This is more difficult than I am. Let's try this again. I've got my Chemo 12-watt amp. Nothing. But maybe it's still working. You never know. They are on the thing. Let's just... We could do it upside down. The amps... I've got my phone plugged in. Trouble is, I mean, this cable does work, so I don't know which side. It shouldn't make any difference. PE with Joe, Friday 15th of May. It is definitely playing that video, whatever that is. I think it might be dead. God. It definitely... Great, the connector's just fallen straight off. It does move though, and the other one's fallen off. Oh, this sellotape is crap. Honestly. I don't like sellotape whatsoever. Such a problem, they've both fallen off. I mean, some people seem to be able to do such great things to sellotape. I find it a pain in the bum. Is there something wrong with the rest of the cables? I'll just hold it on both of them. Just hold it up. Just see if this thing makes any noise. Oops. God, trying to hold this. There are only 3 pairs of hands. Do you know what? I think it might actually be dead. Try them the other way round. Shouldn't make sure they don't touch. Shouldn't make any difference. You can't see a thing, can you?